Silky beat.
OnePlus Ace 2V just launched today and it will globally launch as a OnePlus Nord 3. Fast refresh rate, OLED display, flagship processor, super slim in design, 64 megapixel triple camera setup, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the OnePlus Ace 2V or Nord 3, a flagship great phone. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is a red colored box for the OnePlus Ace 2V. Let's take off the plastic and open the lid. Inside the cardboard box, we have a protective case, a tool to eject the SIM card, a user manual, and some stickers from the OnePlus. Let's put the phone aside for now. Also includes the 80-watt power adapter and the data cable. Even though the OnePlus Ace 2V looks very different from the other OnePlus products, it has a new design with a straight middle frame and the screen, and the camera on the back is made up of two small round shapes. The OnePlus Ace 2V has a design with very thin edges around the screen. The chin is only 1.46 mm thick and it looks almost the same width on all sides. This is because the screen is directly built into the middle frame without the extra plastic around it. This gives the phone a very high screen to body ratio. The OnePlus Ace 2V has a front facing camera that located in the center of the screen, creating a symmetrical design. The OnePlus Ace 2V has a 6.74 inch screen with a high resolution of 1.5K and 450 pixel per inch density. It uses a T7 plus luminescent material which makes it very bright with a peak brightness of up to 1450 nits. The screen also supports advanced features like 1440 Hz high frequency PWM dimming, HDR10 plus and self-developed touch technology. It has a certified as a TUV SUD Precision Touch S level certifications, and the OnePlus Ace 2V screen has been certified for its low blue light emission by STS, an authoritative certification organization for the eye protection. This means that the screen is designed to be less harmful to your eyes. The screen of the OnePlus Ace 2V has a slight curve around the edges. Given it's a 2.5D design, this means that the edge of the screen is not completely flat but has a small curvature. The middle frame of the OnePlus Ace 2V is not completely straight. It has a small curve on the upper and lower side, which make it look thinner visually. This design helps to make the phone look sleek and stylish. The middle frame of the OnePlus Ace 2V is made of plastic, which is not as good to touch as metal. However, the phone has a matte spray layer that is fine enough, and most consumers won't mind this. The SIM card slot, bottom firing speaker, primary microphone, Type-C port are located on the bottom of the phone, and the OnePlus Ace 2V has a infrared opening at the top, which means it supports infrared functions. This allows the phones to be used as a remote control for various appliances like TV and air conditioners. The back of the OnePlus Ace 2V is made of glass and has a 2.8D design, which means it has a more obvious curve compared to the 2.5D screen on the front. The phone weighs around 191.5 grams and 8.15 mm thick, which ensure a comfortable grip. The flash and color temperature lamp on the camera module on the OnePlus Ace 2V have diamond cut patterns, and they are located on the right side of the two camera modules. This design makes the back of the phone looks more refined and elegant. The OnePlus Ace 2V also has a well-received 3-stage switch which has been retained on the phone. It uses a CNC cutting process for the precision and durability. This feature allows the user to quickly switch between the different notification settings with ease. Overall, the OnePlus Ace 2V is a high-performance phone with an outstanding appearance. It comes in two colors, black and green. OnePlus Ace 2V has Dimensity 9000 as its processor and LPDDR5X memory and UFS 3.1 flash memory for the storage. Dimensity 9000 is a processor built on TSMC's 4nm process with a powerful Cortex X2 core that runs at frequency of over 3 GHz. OnePlus Ace 2V scored 1.02 million plus in Antutu tests, which is still impressive. In a Geekbench 5 running points were 1271 points and single core is around 4139 points for the multi-core. OnePlus Ace 2 supports memory generic recommendation technology, which allows for up to 44 background application on the 16 GB large memory version. Maximize the benefit of having a large memory. This technology is also available on the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus Ace 2 mobile phone. OnePlus Ace 2V performs very well for the gaming as demonstrated by our test of playing Glory of King at the highest image quality and around 120 frames per second. The phone achieved an impressive average frame rate of around 119.5 fps. The OnePlus Ace 2V performs well in temperature control with the maximum temperature of around 39.5 degree. OnePlus Ace 2V has a 3 cameras, 64 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and the 2 megapixel macro lens. In daylight photo, OnePlus Ace 2V may not have the best parameter, but the actual photo quality is better than expected. The white balance and the exposure are accurate and it has a good dynamic range. OnePlus Ace 2V has a large 5000 mAh battery and comes with an 80-watt super flash charging technology, which enables it to charge 40% in just 10 minutes, 60% in 15 minutes. The phone was fully charged in less than 35 minutes. The OnePlus Ace 2V has a different price option based on its storage and memory capacity. The base model with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage cost around 280 UK pound and around $330 US. The OnePlus Ace 2V is a mobile phone that focuses on the performance and looks great. It has a unique design without a plastic bracket and the features like the well-tuned Dimensity 9000 plus 12 plus 256 gigs of storage, 80-watt plus 5000 mAh battery and the various configurations such as NFC, infrared and X-axis linear motors. The phone is very competitive in its range and has a starting price of around 280 UK pound, making it as a great value for its quality and features. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.